Pujun and Denoi Maganeduk, Netana Gamacoin and the Genekas, Mekizin and Dodem, Nagajuan and Donjaba, Medequin Dao. My English name is Lyz Jaakola, and I'm from Fond du Lac Reservation, and I've been passed SEMA to sing an honor song to recognize those who are living with domestic violence, those who are survivors of any kind of violence, and those who are finding the strength to live outside of domestic violence. Domestic violence doesn't only affect the people who are in that relationship. It also affects the people who live with those people, the people in the community, the larger community, and it impacts our future generations. So it's something that we're all healing from. And there's no shame if you are in a situation where you're experiencing domestic violence, because it's no fault of your own. This is something that was placed in our communities through many years of cultural violence against our people, and it can stop. That's the good news, is that it can stop. We can help each other. We can reach out to each other and help to heal this in our community. So the song I'm going to sing is a song that's called the Strong Woman Song. Even though I know that people of all genders experience domestic violence, but this song is a song that has empowered people for a long time now to find their strength and to stand tall and confident in it. We honor you, we respect you, and we love you. Miigwech Bisandawiek.